Hello guys, welcome to my Pangarchulla summit trek vlog. I went to this trek for the views of Himalayas but stayed there for the feelings. Midnight climbs, snow-covered trails, sleepless nights and summit above 15,000 feet. This was Pangarchulla. Day 1 on the trail started from the Tugasi village with the steep climbs right from the beginning. As we gained altitude, the views kept getting bigger and better. After walking few kilometers, we reached to first Maggie Point. If you are coming to mountain, you cannot miss Mountain Wali Maggie. Exhausted body, tired legs, but excitement at peak. And finally, we reached Galing Top. Here we can see our camps are already set by Trek the Himalaya. Day 1 trekking tested the legs. Now it's recovery time. Now we all are stretching the pain out, one muscle at a time. Sunset view from the Galing Top made every step worth it. On second day, we are heading towards Kolara camp. Kolara camp is situated at 11,000 feet. Today we are going to face dense forest, somewhere snowy patches, cold winds and massive peaks slowly revealing themselves. Today's trail, as we can see, moderate ascent that takes us through an enchanting trail lined with oak, rhododendron and walnut trees. We are walking through a muddy route that is sheltered under a dense forest canopy. And finally, Kolara campsite welcomed us with one of the best mountain views of the trek. Today we are going for Kuari Pass, passing through the Kolara top. We begin our trek with the cool mountain air that increased our spirit. The trail from Kolara winds through alpine meadows, gradually ascending towards Kolara top. Easily we can see unfolding views of majestic peaks like Dronagiri, Hathi Parvat, Gauri Parvat, Neelkant. And finally we reach to Kolara top. From Kolara top, two trails diverge. One leads to uphills towards Pangarchulla and the second one will go towards Kuari Pass. Kuari Pass is also known as doorway to heaven. From here, 360-degree views of the snow-covered peaks we can simply mesmerize.
नमो पार्वती पते
Summit day started at midnight 12 o'clock. Freezing temperatures, headlamps lighting the trail, and endless snow climbs. Every step felt heavier because of the altitude gain and lack of sleep. This section is having deep valleys on both the side. One wrong step and it could have been dangerous for our life. After this much effort, finally we reached to the summit. A 15,100 feet Pangarchulla summit.